Hello students, one thing to add with drawing scale diagrams is we talked about the ratios of areas. So we're going to just quickly jot that down, and we're going to write down, oops, that's way too big. We're going to write down the rule that you need to remember for this. I just want to make sure that that you understand of areas, the difference between this and what we've learned so far. So the ratios of areas, if the ratio of a length is, let's say, 2 to 5, then whenever you're looking for the ratio of an area, you need to remember that this scale has to be squared. So it would be 4 to 25. Okay? So let's jot down here, you must, and I'll put in parentheses, or in those apostrophes, square the ratio. Okay, so this will allow you to find out what the proper size is, what the proper dimensions is of an object. So let's say, for example, you have a ratio that is 1 centimeter, and for every 1 centimeter in a line, then it will be, let's say, 4 meters, right? So then if you're going to find out an object that is, let's say, 2 centimeters squared, then you cannot use this ratio because the two units are different. That's how you can identify whether you should square the ratio or not. So you must square the ratio first, okay? So when you square the ratio, it's going to turn it into 1 centimeter squared is equal to, and then 4 squared is going to be 16, and then it'll be meters squared. Now you can input this, and now it works. So now you do the usual steps of dividing, and then you multiply. And so you should get an answer of 32 meters squared. Just put a box around that. The units will carry over, right? So if the ratio ends with meters squared, then the final answer will also have meters squared. So just keep that in mind. That way, if you are looking for areas, that you remember that you must square the ratio as well.